welcome to my clothing treasure. This is Jyoti Mishra and today I'm back with one of my best selling collections, the Kargil cotton sarees. And if you are wondering why Kargil cotton sarees, then that has a bit of trivia I would like to share. मैंने पहले भी बताया है ये जो sarees हैं, these sarees where you know this pallu specifically, ये जो पल्लू है ये डिज़ाइन किया गया था फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ड्यूरिंग द कारगिल वॉर, डेडिकेटेड टू द सोल्जर्स, तो शहीद हुए थे उनको डेडिकेट करके उड़ीसा के विवर्स ने फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम डिजाइंड दिस पल्लू. एंड इस पल्लू में आप देख सकते हैं दिस इज द कोणार्क चक्र. ओके, द सेंटर हैज कोणार्क चक्र एंड उसके दोनों तरफ यू विल सी दिस मोटिव्स. ओके, आई जस्ट शो यू प्रॉपर्ली. You see, that's the pallu. This is the typical pallu of Kargil cotton sarees. Okay, Kargil cotton, this Kargil saree also comes in silk. Khandua silk also you get in the same design, but today I am sharing the cotton saree. And इसका जो कोणार्क चक्र है that remains same in every saree. You will get a कोणार्क चक्र and few motifs around that Konark chakra, but yes, each saree will have slightly different variations in terms of motif, क्योंकि ये hand woven sarees है and no two hand woven sarees can be exactly same and motifs can vary a little bit. But the good news is ये जो साड़ी हैं, जो भी colors आप देख रहे हैं, these colors are always available. Okay, I will be showing you many colors and ये और भी बहुत सारे कलर्स में अवेलेबल है. यू नेम इट एंड दैट कलर इज देयर. ओके, बहुत सारे कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस में अवेलेबल है एंड मेरे पास भी ये बहुत जल्दी जल्दी आती जाती रहती है. सो इवन इफ इट गेट्स सोल्ड आउट आई विल बी एबल टू send you a piece in 4 to 5 days, maybe a week max. So you don't have to worry about it being stocked out. The only thing is that आप अभी अगर इस ब्लू साड़ी में ये पल्लू देख रहे हैं, doesn't mean that the saree you will be getting will have the exact same detailing. Konark chakra will be there, the pallu will be there, motifs will be there, but they will not be exactly same. Okay, what I mean you will understand when I share different sarees. You will see that हर साड़ी में थोड़े थोड़े motifs different हैं. So the price is 1750. The fabric is pure cotton and you can see the design. There is a huge temple here on both sides. Okay, and this is the typical pallu. These do not come with blouse pieces. आप black blouse के साथ pair कर सकते हैं. It will look very very nice. And इस साड़ी की एक खास बात ये भी है कि these sarees look very nice. They are very comfortable and they can be worn to any occasion, anywhere, any time of the day, and nobody will question your choice. आप घर पे चाहें तो घर पे पहन सकते हैं. You want to wear it to a party, you can wear there. You can wear it to your office, to a meeting, to a casual outing, wherever you want. You can just wear it and it will look perfect for that occasion, depending upon of course how you accessorize it. So yes, this is saree number 1. This is in blue. It has slightly metallic hue, but not really metallic because ये fabric cotton है, but still इसमें shine बहुत अच्छी है. You can see that इसके warp and weft में I'll show you closely. Okay, black and blue warp and weft में है and that's the reason it has a धूप छांव effect. लेकिन cotton है, that's why the shine is subtle and it's not metallic. Okay, this is saree number 1 and I'll just quickly show you all the sarees. So this is olive green. You can see it's a dark olive green and इस पे भी आप pattern देख सकते हैं. There is a temple border and this is the pallu. And जो कि मैं बता रही थी, you can see that there is a Konark chakra, but yes, the patterns are slightly different. The wheels, इसके जो spokes हैं, they are not exactly the same like the previous saree. And here also the motifs are slightly different. So the theme remains same, that there is a Konark chakra in the center and motifs around, but the motifs are not exactly same. Okay, so even though you are just seeing this saree right now, when you order, if this one is stock out, I'll send you another one and the pallu motifs may not match. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so let's move on to the next color. Okay, so this is ink blue color. It's a very dark blue. Again, इस पे भी धूप छांव effect है, but because of the fabric which is cotton, the shine is not metallic, rather it's subtle shine है, जो कि cotton पे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And इस पे आप देख सकते हैं the temple pattern is slightly different. Different मतलब इस पे the last साड़ी I shared, यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे this temple is not completely filled. Okay, it's not filled. But इस पे this is completely black. Okay, it's filled with black. Yeah, I hope it's clear now. And here is the typical Kargil pallu. So let's move on to the next color. Okay, so another color, and ये mustard color है, but this is also popularly known as the gold Kargil sari, and the reason is इस पे भी warp and weft में mustard and black है, जिसकी वजह से the shine, the subtle shine on the mustard color, it gives, you know, वो gold color का illusion देता है, and it looks really pretty. And another thing very popular, you know, in this color sari is that it's filled with a red color. आप देख सकते हैं the temples are filled with red color, and इसकी वजह से इस पे, you know, there is a very beautiful contrast, and ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Again, this is the pallu. Okay, the typical Kargil pallu, and this is the sari. So this is a grey one. Grey pe again black color ke temples, and this is the pallu, and there is, you know, only few stripes of teal here. So iske sath aap dekh sakte hain ki, you know, even my teal kurta is going nicely. So what you can do is आपके साड़ी में जो भी कलर के मोटिव्स हैं, you can match it with that color also. वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. Okay, the obvious choice is black and maybe maroon or red, but yes, if your sari has any other color, you can pair it with that color blouse also, and it will look very nice. We can see how beautiful this looks. Yeah, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this is another olive, and this time the temples are packed with red color. Okay, so that's the only difference. Otherwise the sari is same, and the pallu is like this. This has a bit of more red, but that there is no guarantee के जब आप order कर रहे हैं that sari has this much red or no. It could have only, you know, the similar pallu like the previous saris I have shared, जिसमें the main color, background color of the pallu is black and the motifs are there. Okay, so अगर आपको exact same चाहिए, then you have to order right away, because I only have one piece in this exact piece, and the next time it comes I cannot guarantee the pallu will be exactly same. It could have this red and black ka combination, it could be the plain black background with the same motifs, the Konark chakra. Okay, so yeah, so this one is an orange, but इस पे थोड़ा सा earthy touch है. It's slightly brownish. It's not really proper orange. गेरुआ वाला, वो नारंगी वाला orange नहीं है. This is orange mixed with black, and that's why ये थोड़ा सा burnt orange बोल सकती हूँ मैं इसको. That's the exact color, and you can see how pretty it looks with the black contrast. And this is the pallu, of course. And yeah, सारे कलर्स पे ये साड़ीज बहुत ही अच्छी लगती हैं. So you know, unless you really have few colors to compare with, हर साड़ी का एक अलग चार्म है, and every color looks, you know, beautiful in its own right. So there is really, you know, it's very difficult to choose for me, and I hope you are also, you know, noticing that. Okay, so this is a purple one, a very pretty purple, and the motif, you can see this temple motif, it's completely filled with black, and shine तो आपको दिख ही रही होगी. Even though these are cotton sarees, इसका जो shine है, that is really you know, something to look forward to. इसका जो warp and weft दोनों में जो दो कलर का mixture है, that's the reason it has this kind of a shine. बहुत ही सुंदर है. And this is the pallu, of course. Kargil sari without Konark chakra is impossible to, you know, think of. Yeah, so yes, let's move on to the next color. Another very popular combination, maroon ke sath black, and you can see why this is so popular. Because it goes with Indian complexion so well, and of course black, red, maroon, they you know, go really well with each other. They complement each other. And this is the pallu, Yeah, so let's move on to the next color. Okay, plum color. It's actually, you know, deep rani pink जिसके साथ again black का mix होके it's appearing as plum, but in person, yeah, this is the color that you'll actually be seeing when you actually wear the sari, or you know, you see it up close. This is the color, okay? Rani pink में हल्का सा black का touch है जिसकी वजह से it is appearing plum, okay? And इसका भी shine you can see, बहुत ही सुंदर शाइन है, एंड द टेम्पल्स आर यू नो नॉट फिल्ड. If you want the exact same sari, whatever sari I have shown you, if you want the temples to be filled completely, then you can tell me that. If you want you know, the temples like this, then you can tell me that I want this color but the temple should be like this, and I'll, you know, see to it that I get that exact piece. But yes, the pallu motifs, I cannot help you there, I'm really sorry. And yeah, this is the pallu, Konark chakra and the motifs. Fresh green and black, another popular combination, and it's looking really pretty. ये भी अपने Indian complexion पे बहुत अच्छे से जाता है, and you can see that here the temples are completely packed. So of course the pallu, it's beautiful, the Konark chakra and the motifs. फिर से repeat करूँगी, motifs may you know, vary a little bit when you order these saris. So keep that in mind. The color combination will be exactly same, the temple will be exactly same, but yes, the pallu could vary, okay? So be ready for that. Or if you really want this exact sari, you can order right away so that I can dispatch the exact same piece, okay? I have few more pieces. Let's move on to the next one. The last one, and in a gorgeous combination of orange and red. It is slightly from the, you know, different from the others in the sense that इसमें बिल्कुल भी black नहीं है, and the pallu, of course, the Konark chakra cannot be missed. Pallu भी red है, and the body is a mix of orange and red work and weft में, but the major color is orange. इस पे भी धूप छांव इफेक्ट है. I'll try to show you. The red is not being captured properly on the camera. ये थोड़ा सा pink लग रहा है, okay? But this is red, pure red. So it's a very bright sari, very nice. If you want to avoid black, then you can go for this. And if you want to, you know, try out more options without black, then ping me. I will share more colors. And जितनी भी sarees हैं, they are without blouse piece, pure cotton है, and the price is 1750. Shipping is free throughout India. अगर आप cash on delivery चाहते हैं, then that will cost you 50 rupees per sari. And if you are ordering from outside India, then the actual shipping cost will be applicable. अगर आपका total booking amount crosses 30,000, then shipping will be free. And I think that's it. Let's move on quickly so that I can film some more you know, collections for you. And see you. Have a very nice day. Bye.